We're on a boat. Look who's here. So we've got the drones here. We're doing a bit of air-to-air combat. What do you reckon? So windy, honestly. That was quite a fight. Actually, like in the first babe, it was pretty good, wasn't it? But that second one, I was coming in pretty close to it.
Yeah, the wind is blowing straight into this bay.
Yeah, I don't know how this audio is going to come out on the phone as well. But yeah, basically we're in Turkey, and this wasn't even planned. We were going to be here together. It happened kind of by accident.
Yeah.
Then everyone's going to go, nah, no way.
Yeah, I was going to Cyprus, wasn't I?
Yeah.
And then we decided on here. I messaged you and I said I was going to Turkey. You're like, well, where are you going? And I told you. Yeah, at the same time.
Literally, like, that is crazy. We've got about sort of 3 or 4 days crossover when you go, and obviously we arrive. So we've got this. We're out on this boat, and it's absolutely lovely. There's food in a minute, so we're loving life right now.
Yeah, it's hard this life.
On the spot, he wants to be in a video. Look at that dashing chap. What are we going to do now?
Paddle boarding.
Gonna give it a go. Well, she's gone. She's floating away. Rog, you're going to have to go and rescue her. Quick, go for it. Rog, you're not going to be able to do it without a board. You can't swim. Look at him doing the heroics.
It seemed like a good idea at the time. Roger, my hero. He's just getting up to the start line. Yeah, go.
Why you got your drones out?
Multitasking. Got that on it.
Oh my god. Right. It's not easy.
Stand up, Phil.
Try to stand up.
Gotta stand up, Andy. Do you want to come up? Don't drop his phone in, he'll kill me.
But it's not, it's really easy.
Go!
Helen.
Yes!
Okay, you just stand there. It's okay.
Yeah, no, got it.
He's going to do it. Yes, he is. He's going to do it.
Pull up your core, Andy, like up.
Oh. Yes, you're there.
Yeah. Pull up your central. Yeah. He's going to go.
No, he's going to hit.
Don't you lose your glasses. Look at him. Roger's going. Go on, Rog. And he's still got his glasses on. Look at Rog is down. Rog is down. So funny. Go. Oh, that's a clear wind. That's a clear wind for Rog.
That was good, wasn't it?
Yeah, I've swallowed so much seawater in that race. That is hard work.
And you got to save your beloved as well.
Yeah, and I got to save Fran as well when she floated on. So if you're watching on this video, this guy here, he needs to go viral. He's a funny guy, isn't he?
Yeah, he is.
So share the video, make him go viral.
Phil, you're going viral.
We're going to send you viral.
On the way back now. It's a lovely little place. We're just walking around the fake district where you can buy pretty much anything for fake. Including these glasses, which are normally £2,000 in the shop, but you didn't like the Adidas trainers. They were a little bit ropey, weren't they?
No, they weren't right. There's a guy told me there's really bad fakes, there's okay fakes, and there's really good fakes.
Yeah. I picked up this lovely Full Raven camouflage one. He's copying me now.
Yeah.
Are you getting the same one as me?
There's a green one.
Grey.
You're getting grey?
Yeah, I think.
Nice Bagwoods.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, you keep filming me with my glasses. No one sees me with glasses.
Yeah, exactly. It's the secret life.
It's the secret life of the glasses wearer.
It's a Turkish delight. Hello, mate. All right?
I'm alright, mate. You alright?
All right, mate. All right.
0 calorie Turkish delight.
0 calorie.
Yes.
What's the full fat?
Eat more, lose weight.
What's that? What's the stuff around the edge of it?
That's it.
Let's try this. Oh, it's a bit. Oh, what's that?
Turkish delight is with the raspberry and caramel, and I give you the almond one.
What do you think?
It's not bad. Just a little bit.
Try this
A
one,
little
please.
bit Jolly Ranchers.
Almonds.
Yeah, that's got stuff in it. Yeah, you toast that one.
Try.
Come on. Do a mukbang.
Nice, that one.
Yeah.
Try that.
Please.
Really good? Oh,
I've not tried that.
quite nice. I'm still chewing, man.
Excuse me.
You know what it tastes like? Cabbage root and nut. Done.
Does it? I'm more traditional. I'd rather like just the plain stuff.
Can you have almonds, or does your head swell to the size of a grapefruit? Melon, I mean.
My head's already the size of a grapefruit. Probably, yeah, that is nice actually.
Yeah, it is. If you have almonds, your head swells to the size of a basketball.
It's walnut, so I can't have walnut.
Oh, well, let's find a walnut one then. Do you like it?
I like that.
You gonna buy some?
I don't know if I'm going to buy some.
Well,
But he's getting some content for his video. It's to do with antennas on there. There's an antenna up there. That's for the mosque call to prayer stuff, is it, I suppose?
yeah.
Got a dipole, isn't it? Turunç is such a nice little place though. It's really chilled out. It's nothing like Marmaris. Apparently I've not been there, but it's actually really kind of much more chilled. There's a great view through here. Look. The girls have just come out of the handbag shop. This is who I bought my glasses from. He's got some nice watches in here as well.
It's a shame it's night time because you can't get the beauty of the view.
No.
The view is unbelievable here.
Not it.
I paid an absolute fortune for this view.
Yeah.
House came free though, so that's alright. Yeah.
Jim Cough then?
Yeah. Is he doing it live?
Cough, oh, it's live, yeah. The guy doing the service from the mosque, he coughed over the microphone.
Well, it's the next morning now. Breakfast was really good. So traditional Turkish breakfast. We just this guy selling melons. So what was on the breakfast? They had.
What was it on the
I had what is it called? Menemes. It's like scrambled eggs with like peppers and sort of tomato roasted. Yeah, it's amazing. Really good. I wasn't expecting it to come like it did. I thought it was just going to be scrambled eggs with like bits in, but it was actually like a proper sort of dish. And then we had like a Turkish breakfast to share, didn't we? Yeah. Like on the table, which had those little fried cheese, straws,
aubergine, like meze, like baba ganoush type.
Yeah, loads of stuff.
And rocket and yogurt and honey and bread and nuts.
It's kind of like a continental kind of breakfast, but with like a Turkish twist. So yeah, if you come to Turkey, definitely got to have a Turkish breakfast. But I think
very nice.
You've got to know the places to get the good ones. That's what we're sort of finding.
Very good, very nice.
Yeah. But because Helen's auntie lives here, it's kind of, we're pretty sorted on that front because we've got like a local tour guide. Just picked up a massive melon. Big old melon, isn't it?
It's £3.50.
£3.50?
Yeah.
That don't sound cheap.
For a melon.
It's, you wait till you taste it.
So we're just on the road from Turunç to Marmaris, and this is where all the fire damage happened a few years ago. Look at that, that all used to be trees. And this is just completely and utterly like obliterated. It's just
but people would come to
unreal.
And say they didn't realise how green Turkey was and lush.
Yeah.
You know, they thought it would be like I did 30 years ago. I thought it was going to be camels and sand, you know.
Yeah, no, it's very green, isn't it? Crazy.
In your case, though it's the toughest case I've yet to face, don't worry, I'm determined to succeed. You will be popular. You're gonna be popular. I'll teach you the proper when you talk to boys, little ways to flirt and glance. I'll show you what shoes to wear, how to fix your hair, everything that really counts to be popular. I'll help you be popular. It's not about aptitude, it's the way you view. So it's very shrewd to be very, very popular, like me. Look at you. I know clandestiny.
Morning guys, we're at a place called Pebble Beach today, this morning. Look, there is a grapevine above my head, which is pretty cool. You can just pull grapes off. There's a cow on the beach, walking down. I'm not sure why, but
it's just coming for a walk.
It will walk.
Oh yeah.
So cute.
As you do.
Might be along in a minute.
Who ordered the burger?
One of them's quite small.
So my voice is a little bit deep this morning. There was a lot of shouting over the loud music last night. Oh, how funny was last night with Lewis getting picked on by the at the drag show and getting made up.
Serves him right for wearing a bit of a noncy shirt.
I've got ammunition. I've got ammunition for days now. It's Lewis's last night tonight, so we're having a little drink and a little meal just to say goodbye. How mad has it been?
It's hard to believe we were in the same country at the same time, purely by coincidence as well.
It's absolutely crazy.
Or was it coincidence?
Well, I don't know. No, it definitely was, because Lewis had already booked it, and we were coming out exactly the same time, weren't we?
Yeah,
So,
yeah. I was actually going to a different country, and then it happened to be Turkey then at the last minute. So yeah, it's been good.
It was pretty mad. And how good was the boat?
Really good, yeah. Really good, yeah.
So good.
It's been good. It's been an exhausting few days, really.
Yeah, it has. And we didn't really get any chance to bring any radio stuff out here, did we? Because we're sort of looking into it. You're actually doing a video about that.
A video on that, yeah.
So we couldn't do much of that, but yeah, it was fun with the drones though, wasn't it?
Yeah,
as well?
Really good fun. Yeah, it's been brilliant.
Yeah, it was all good. Yeah. We go back not tomorrow. Lewis is going back tomorrow, but we're going back day after that. So yeah,
I need a holiday to recover from the last few days.
It has been mad. It has been full on loads of stuff. And you last night in that drag club, that was just that was so funny. He got targeted.
Straight away.
It was the shirt, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We both got targeted, but you actually got.
I'm sure you'll do me over and put the footage in the video. I'm sure, in fact, people watching this have probably already seen it. So
yeah, probably.
Thanks for that.
Anyway, guys, there'll be more from us on other videos as well. Oh yeah, wonder what that could be.
Yeah.
Catch you later.